right, we are coming to the elevators at Las Vegas McCarran International Airport. I usually don't film modernized elevators like I said, but the reason I decided to film this elevator is because I want to get a better take since I filmed this in 2012. So let's ride in full HD. Here we go. We all know everyone's least favorite Kone elevator, but forget about this. Look at this, I like this back walls, and another reason I'm decided to film this is because it's a nice elevator. So let's go to 6, and here we go. Camera just lost the focus. I'm not going to do the other elevators because they're the exact same. And I'm not going to film the Innovation Universal one. Gosh, it's hot up here. It's gone to 1. I am all for expressing opinions on Kone, but I ask that you please do so appropriately. Don't leave any swear words in the comments below. Nothing offensive, otherwise I will remove if I see them. Anyway, so this is a nice elevator actually, although being basic, hospital size. Look how deep this cab is.
Going up.
I'm going to send this up and I'll let you watch it go up. Here it goes. We're going up. Elevator is going all the way up to the top. Alright, there it goes, and that's it.